Hello everybody, I am going to a car wash I have never filmed before. This is at the Chevron gas station on Higley Road here in Mesa. And it has an older Ryko. These older Rykos are getting so much tougher to find nowadays. They're starting to become vintage and rare. Here in the Phoenix area, a lot of these have been ripped out and replaced. So I got the ultimate car wash.
You have purchased the corner store super wash. And the wash
So I got the ultimate, but it says the works. Well, this is an older system. It's a foam Brite. Yeah, these Ryko foam Brites are really hard to find nowadays. Back 10 years ago, these were more common, but now these are all getting replaced. Even has the old red brushes. Look at that. I got the most expensive car wash too. All original. Look at that. Oh, look at those dryers. Those look so vintage. I don't think this car wash is at risk of getting replaced. This looks like it's worked so well. Alright, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Just gotta open up my door to put my mirror back. But you can see the car wash right there. I gotta say, hopefully this car wash stays preserved. It did really well. I don't think it's at risk of being replaced right now. And thank you for watching, and that's it.